Hello, everyone. I just want to remind you how to save a file, especially to your Photoshop desktop folder. So here you can see it's entitled. I'm going to make it big so you can see it all. I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I am going to go to Desktop, Digital Media. There's my Photoshop file, and I'm going to call this Miss Brown sample. Name it something that you can remember what it is. Hit save. And then this box may come up and you can hit don't show again and hit OK. If it didn't come up, great. That means you've already done that step. And then you're going to go to File, Export, Export As. And then this file is going to open up this window right here. You're going to toggle to JPG, move it to the highest, hit Export, go to Desktop, Digital Media, Photoshop, and put it into there. Remember, I need the Photoshop file and the JPG for all your Photoshop assignments. Have a good one.